Even on a free weekend like this, I still sluggishly wake up at 6 a.m. like a robot alarm clock.
Oh my God, you're so diligent, huh?
Diligent my foot. It's just that the alarm clock completely forgot today is Saturday.
Didn't you turn it off?
I turned it off completely. But my brain automatically switched to awake mode anyway.
So the alarm is on vacation, but your brain is still working overtime, huh?
Exactly. And the worst part is, at this crack of dawn hour, I have no idea what to do.
Try reading a book?
I open the book. After 2 lines, my eyes get heavy and I fall right back asleep.
That's the ultimate osmosis learning method through dreams.
If that were true, I'd have been a famous professor ages ago.
I'm totally different. On weekends, I turn the alarm off completely.
Then what?
I still wake up right on time like clockwork.
Why?
Just habit, that's all.
No, that's the classic curse of adulthood.
Do you drink black coffee?
Yeah, I do.
It's really bitter, right?
Bitter as hell.
So, why do you keep drinking it?
To look a little like a grown-up.
Adults drink coffee because they need energy to survive.
I drink it to pretend I've deeply understood life.
Does it work?
After just 3 sips, I realize one truth.
What truth?
I should order a sweet pastry to balance out the bitterness of life.
That's the smartest decision you've made all morning.
This week, I have an important presentation.
How did it go?
It was fine. Until I opened the slides.
What was the problem?
The first slide clearly said, "Welcome to the presentation by," the outdated version.
The old version?
I forgot to update the template.
How did the teacher react?
He smiled and said, "I hope the new version will be better."
Then what did you do?
I was shaking like crazy.
Forgot the content?
No, I didn't forget.
Then why?
I forgot to switch to another slide.
You stood there talking for 5 minutes with only one slide?
Exactly.
That's actually quite artistic. How do you study anyway?
I have my own study strategy.
Sounds serious.
Step 1. Open the laptop.
Then?
Next. Open the study materials.
Then?
After that,
After what?
YouTube gets opened first.
I saw that coming.
But I'm actually watching educational videos, okay?
Really?
Yeah. The video titled, "Super Effective Learning Method in Just 5 Minutes."
And how long did you watch?
2 whole hours.
What did you learn from it?
So many valuable lessons.
Like what?
The biggest lesson: never open YouTube while studying. Have you ever imagined your life like a movie?
Of course.
I think that way too.
But my movie is definitely a low-budget comedy.
Why?
Because every time I step out the door, it pours rain like crazy.
It's just random coincidence.
3 times in a row?
Maybe the universe wants you to get free rain showers.
Then the universe should kindly throw in an umbrella. Yesterday, I decided to exercise.
Awesome.
I walked for exactly 20 minutes.
Then what happened?
I discovered something interesting.
What?
The banh mi shop opens at 7 a.m.
And did you eat?
I ate 2 right away.
This kind of exercise is actually pretty tempting.
I call it motivation cardio.
Do you often forget your phone?
All the time.
I always keep mine in my hand.
Once, I spent 10 minutes looking for my phone.
Where?
It was in my hand the whole time.
The absolute peak of forgetfulness.
I even shouted, "Someone call me so I can find it."
Then who called?
No one.
Because the phone was on silent. That's when I realized I need another coffee. Do you notice anything weird about this cafe?
Nothing weird.
Everyone says I'm only staying 10 minutes.
True.
But in the end, everyone stays over an hour.
Coffee has the power to make time disappear.
Or maybe the chairs here have magic that keeps you glued.
Nope.
Then what is it?
It's just the super strong free Wi-Fi.
Yesterday, I went to the supermarket.
Sounds normal.
Not normal at all.
Why?
I only planned to buy 1 bottle of water.
And?
I walked out with 3 full bags.
What was inside?
Snacks, cakes, juice, yogurt, ice cream.
Where's the water?
I completely forgot it.
Peak shopping fail.
The supermarket is like a soul-sucking maze.
No.
Then, what is it?
It's where your wallet goes on a visa-free vacation. Last week you said you'd study really hard.
That's right.
What was the exact plan?
I made a super detailed schedule.
For example?
8 a.m. Math. 9 a.m. English. 10 a.m. Reading.
Sounds so professional.
11 a.m. 10-minute break.
Then what?
I rested for 3 straight hours.
3 hours?
The break had to be high quality too.
What about the rest of the plan?
I moved everything to tomorrow.
Did you actually do it tomorrow?
I wrote a brand new plan.
Do you realize adults always say one thing?
What?
I'm fine.
But in reality, they're not fine at all.
Exactly.
For example, yesterday I told my friend, I'm fine.
But actually,
I had just dropped my bread on the floor.
what did you do?
I looked around.
Did anyone see?
No.
And?
I picked it up.
The 5-second rule?
No.
Then what?
The no one saw rule.
I think milk tea is better than coffee.
No way.
Why?
Coffee keeps you alert.
Milk tea makes you happy.
Coffee helps you work.
Milk tea helps you live.
That sounds super philosophical.
It's true.
But too much milk tea makes you fat.
Too much coffee makes you shaky.
So, what's the solution?
Drink both.
You solved it and created new drama at the same time.
Do you take naps?
Yeah, 20 minutes. I was planning to too.
Then what?
I woke up after 2 hours.
That's not a nap.
Then what is it?
The trial version of night sleep.
Do you know the worst part?
What?
I woke up and didn't know what day it was.
That's called short-term time travel. Are you planning to hit the gym?
Yeah. When? I'm still mentally preparing.
How long has it been?
3 months.
Your mental strength must be huge.
Gym needs motivation.
What's your motivation?
Watching other people work out.
And
I just feel tired for them. Do you find deciding what to eat really hard?
extremely hard.
I stand in front of the menu for 10 minutes.
Same here.
What did you end up choosing?
The first dish I saw.
Then why not pick it right away?
I needed 10 minutes to be sure.
Humans are so complicated. Do you notice something interesting?
What?
People come to cafes to work,
True.
but most just sit staring at their laptops.
Don't say that.
I'm doing exactly that right now.
Me too.
At least we're honest.
Honest and drinking more coffee.
How long do you think we'll sit here?
Want the truth?
Yeah.
Until the cafe closes.
Yesterday I had a really awkward moment.
What happened?
I saw someone from a distance.
And
I was sure it was my friend.
did you wave?
Not just wave.
Then?
I even shouted, "Hey, long time no see."
Sounds super confident.
The person turned around.
And,
It wasn't my friend.
oh no.
I froze for about 3 seconds.
What did the other person say?
Nothing.
So what did you do?
I pretended to continue. I mistook you for someone else.
At least you explained.
But I still stood there 2 more seconds.
Why?
I didn't know which way to walk without looking even more awkward.
Do you procrastinate a lot?
It's not procrastination.
Then what is it?
I call it long-term mental preparation.
For example?
For example, I have an assignment.
And?
I think about it all day.
But you don't do it?
Correct.
That's procrastination.
No,
Then what?
it's mental research.
Research results?
I do the assignment at 11 p.m. I have a business idea.
This already sounds dangerous.
A cafe for procrastinators.
Every cafe is like that.
No, this one is special.
How special?
The menu will say, you can order later, no rush.
That suits you perfectly.
Wi-Fi will turn off automatically after 30 minutes.
So customers can work?
No,
Then what for?
so customers can think about life.
Sounds more like a philosophy class than a cafe.
We'll make money from deep thoughts.
Sounds like a plan that's both profound and vague. Do you notice this?
Notice what?
When you're studying, everything else suddenly becomes interesting.
True.
For example,
I'm studying math.
then,
Suddenly, I want to clean my room.
that's magic.
I even wipe the table.
Really?
Yeah,
So when you're not studying,
I don't want to clean anything.
your brain is super creative at dodging homework. Do you feel the weekend flies by super fast?
Crazy fast. Friday. Finally, rest.
Right.
Blink.
It's already Sunday night.
That's when the scary sentence appears.
What sentence?
Tomorrow is Monday.
Just hearing it is exhausting.
I think there should be 3 weekend days.
And only 2 work days?
Exactly.
I'm all for it.
We should write a letter to the world.
When do you think someone truly becomes an adult?
I have a theory.
Let's hear it.
When they start liking to sleep early.
That makes sense.
Back then I slept at 2 a.m.
And now?
By 10 p.m. I'm already thinking about bed.
Same here.
But there's one problem.
What?
The phone.
Ah,
I lie in bed.
then.
Scroll for an hour.
That's the universal pre-sleep ritual.
Do you find this funny?
What?
People come to cafes to talk,
Yeah,
but many just stare at their phones.
true.
At least we're actually talking.
And glancing at our phones a little?
Just a little.
Probably.
How long have we been sitting here?
I think. Quite a while.
Do you remember what you said at the start?
What?
Just sitting for 10 minutes.
Right.
Now it's definitely over 2 hours.
Time in a cafe works on a different clock.
Probably.
But I'm having fun.
Me too.
Same table, 1 cup of coffee,
And so many pointless stories.
but they're still fun.
Maybe that's the best part of the weekend.
Just sitting and talking.
No big plans needed.
Just coffee.
And someone to chat with.
See you here next week?
Definitely.
But next time we'll only sit for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
We both know that will never happen.